Hi everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be diving into how fun patterned HTV from SparkleBerry Ink can be applied onto common fabrics. Made for all crafters at heart, SparkleBerry Ink offers unique heat transfer vinyl patterns that you won't find from anyone else. While all patterns are available in standard HTV, what makes SparkleBerry stand out is that each and every pattern is also available with a glitter finish. These curated patterns are sure to shine well on any fabric that they're applied to. Due to the way SparkleBerry HTV is applied, there's no need to mirror your image when cutting. After cutting and weeding your transfer, you'll need a sheet of strong masking material, like Caesar TTD High Tack Mask, to mask and lift your design off the carrier sheet. To help simplify the weeding process for glitter HTV, you can roll the vinyl side out to allow the cuts to stick out from the carrier sheet. To apply SparkleBerry Ink HTV, set your heat press to 15 seconds at 295 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Though if you're applying their glitter HTV, go for 12 seconds at 302 degrees Fahrenheit instead, staying at medium pressure. Now that everything's ready, go ahead and place your fabric substrate on the lower platen. Place and center your transfer as desired, cover it with a protective sheet, and then press. When the timer hits 0, open your machine and peel the transfer while it's hot. Your substrate is now ready to shine with SparkleBerry HTV. But you don't need to limit yourself to one pattern. If you're savvy with HTV tricks like the knockout technique, you can take SparkleBerry patterns to another level of style. To learn more about SparkleBerry Ink and other heat transfer vinyl, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to get in touch with the My Expert representative at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.